The smart factory is a highly digitized and connected production facility that uses advanced technologies to automate and optimize manufacturing processes.
It starts with IoT. You have to have the sensors in place to collect the data. Once you have the data, obviously with the sensors, now you have the ability to collect data every second or whatever frequency, right? It's huge amount of data that keeps coming in. That's why the big data topic, and that's something that we as humans will not be able to decipher. We just have limited capacities for us to analyze it, and that's where the AI, the artificial intelligence, comes in.
It's very imperative that if you would like to become a sustainable organization, you definitely have to take care of your processes. And then when the processes are quite 70 to 80% watertight, then and then only it is advisable to go for a digital solution.